Here are the steps on how to replace a keyboard on a Lenovo Yoga Gen 5 laptop. We're going to remove the back panel, the 3 screws at the bottom. 1, 2, 3 are a different size from the ones that are up here towards the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The screws are supposed to just come loose, but not out. But sometimes they come out. When you hear the clicking, that means it's already loose, like that. I always open it from this top corner and pry it off. Anytime we work on a laptop, making any connections or disconnections from any components, we always disconnect the battery power. You grab it by the ribbon and pull back towards you. We don't have to take it off, we just have to disconnect it. Okay. Here is the keyboard ribbon. You want to disconnect that. It gets out. The next thing we want to do is remove the 3 keyboard screws. 1, 2, 3. And those screws will come all the way out. Now we're going to put the laptop back on its main side. We're going to open it. And then with our fingers, we're going to push down and back. Down and back. Okay, not sure why that took a long time, but now you can see down here that there is a gap. Use our plastic tool to lift up, and we use this plastic tool so that way it does not scratch the palm rest or any other parts. So here's the keyboard. The new keyboard is here out of a bag, and it's flat. Okay, this one is already curved into its position for the ribbon. This one is flat, so we need to make sure that it goes into the slot properly. So this ribbon has to go into this hole. So when we put it in, just take a look to make sure it's going in. When we lay it flat, we're gonna push back so it can go in, and now we're gonna push down and towards us, and it removes the gap, so there's no more gaps. Close the lid, flip it around. The power came loose, the power button came loose. On the side, we need to just put it back down. Okay, now that we've flipped it over, we wanna connect the ribbon into the slot. And when it goes in the latch, it goes flat, and the white line is right on the latch. We're going to insert the screws back for the keyboard, and it's 1, 2, 3. And the keyboard has the letters KB on it, so it's easy for us to see which ones are the right screws or screw locations. Snap this back in. Oh, I almost forgot to plug in the power. Okay. Plug in the power all the way back in. Check everything. Look at your tray. Make sure it's empty. Then we put everything back in place. snap, crackle, pop. Put back in. And then check all the sides. Make sure that there's no, like here. Can you tell the difference between that and that? So now we snap it. Okay. Thank you.